everyone, and welcome to Will You Press a Button? So basically, I got this idea from Donny Ranger, so thank you to him for this idea. So, will you press a button? There's a blue pill, but also red pill. I will not. But, will you press towards an indesired field? But, you can never talk about anything related to it. I'm gonna be honest, I think I'll actually take that one. Good, most of people agreed. Will you press the button? You take a tablet that makes you master bank sport class hobby of your choice, but the content in the tablet will kill you in 10 years. I will not. Yeah, I can see why people could have. You have the ability to bring about the game to get into the template. The more you do it, the more your love for these things begins to fade. I mean, yeah, I'm definitely not taking that. Yeah, a bunch of people agree with me on that one. Will you want that you can never get back to your regular body? Like, I can basically say that to my brother or my friend. You know what? I think I will press button. So, 6,286 people agree with me on that. Will you press the button? You tend to like pre-military, all fear project, but religion take over the world. Hinduism and Satanism will both be wiped out as well. Yet, not everybody is religious, so it makes sense. The next thing your touch will turn the solid gold, but the next thing you touch after that can fire. Some people are just reading, man. Will you press the button? You get 3 wishes, but your reward enemy double anything you wish for. I honestly don't have words enemy, so I'm taking that. Will you press the button? You can turn invisible and back at wall, but you can't stay while invisible. I will not. I'm surprised how close this one is. Will you press the button? You can make the world feel happy, but it becomes sad. I care about others more than myself. While you press the button, you gain the ability to heal her, but injury causes to disease you. Heal transfers to your own body. I will not. Yeah, makes sense. While you press the button, you get military return benefits about having to work in the military. But you have to spend training for 40 years. I will not. While you press the button, you get the ability to travel through time, but you end up in an alternate timeline in the process. Then surprisingly close. So, when you press the button, you can travel to betray power, but you lose your fuel. So, speaking of buttons, remember to like and subscribe. William, yeah, I will not. Feel like a bunch of liberals. William press the button, you can think to sweet food, but you gain. Yeah, I'm just gonna say no. While you press the button, you say have no matter what you eat, but you can't read. I wouldn't technically be able to do that, so do this, so no. You and the 3 people can live forever. Your own and theirs, this is a pro time to do that. But you have to break that and breathe one out at a time. I will not. When you push the button, everything you eat will have minimal calories, be alive in a healthy way, but you won't be able to taste anything. I will not, because tasting like won't make good. While you press the button, right in your front by jumping off the plane loop earlier with a parachute, but into more in the mode. I can't play some now. So that's it. While you press the button, you have the ability to teleport walls, but to control you may until it teleport you when you're scared or upset. I'm gonna press it because while you press the button, you'll become immortal, but you'll never die no matter what happens. You know what? Sure. Tons of people want to be immortal. You press the button already to come up with the code that would be a bunch of feelings. theory, tell or not. Look at the Thunder probably made this. William press the button. 3 times it will, but in the 4 times that the pad the wall times frozen. I will not. William press the button again will net money. Will net not money, but you can't use it in terms of a business system. Ever again. I will not. William press the button. Someone wants to he finds another causes about what, but some wrong with the bureau windows of them don't die to do that sometime. I will not. Yeah, it took 1,965 million. When you press the button, you become 3 times as the total, but 3 times bigger. I will not. When you press the button, you feel it, but it begins to move the box for your experience. But by my own box, I think it begins to mean myself. I will not basically. William press the button to control inputs in the world. Anytime you want, but you have big fingers on each hand. You know what? I will have to take that. I'm bad the last one. Press the button, you can make other people do what you want. Even want to bite or want happy your life. I will not. Remember to like and subscribe. William press the button, you are granted time to acknowledge need to print limitless everything in the rest of the world. Won't pause. But you must flip that popper and enter the solitary step in remote track in the woods. I will not. Press the button to convince want to value in time, but you will be single bridge full over your your temple will be an 8. So I'm not really in school, so I'm just gonna press the button. I have to mid school. Main to power be choosing, but you can't turn only 10 years to live. Nah. My grandparents died from cancer, so I know it's probably bad. Before you press the button, something interesting will happen every day. Someone will care. Like, what if that something interesting if somebody buys something will be with that person you're buying not care? Take swap bodies? I'm gonna do this because I'm not too curious about that. Will you press the button, people come feel a lot more, but people talk down. Back a lot more. Thank you guys for watching and